Hello everyone, welcome to my shed. Today I'm going to show you how to lower Honda Vision AF09 Honda Tact with just these tools. First of all, got to take the spring or the shock off of the old suspension, so I'm going to do that real quick. Remove the airbox first.
One bolt, two bolts.
$14 on the top, $12 on the bottom. Put your away. Okay. So, the next job is to separate these two here with a flathead screwdriver, possibly two, and get to the nut that's underneath there. Okay, now you take an open-ended 17. It's a case of twisting the screwdrivers and getting this cunt in there. As so, and then screwdriver through the bolt, it's as simple as that. Be warned. This could go bad. Get ready. I'm not sure what's going to happen here. Ooh, I'm scared. Why hasn't it come off yet? Okay. Ooh. Okay. So I slipped off the bolt there. I had to rearrange the screwdriver, the spanner. Just be able to get in through the coil now. Yep. Okay, she's coming. Oh, there she goes. That is it. We're done. Ta-da! And it's the same for the front and rears, same operation. Flat-headed screwdriver in and prise it apart, and then use an open-ended 17mm in there. Boom. To remove this nut, parallel jaws, no teeth. Definitely clearly doesn't want to come off. In all honesty though, if you're lowering and you're going to end up with a washer anyway, you don't worry too much about scratches on the shaft. In which case, okay, I'll be back. Now as you can see, you've done away with the nut altogether. Left with the rear shock top and the mount for the bottom. All I'm going to use is old skateboard bushings. Any of you guys out there used to skate, you're left with a ton of these. Chose the most fitting with a bushing retainer. Boom, boom. That's it. As you can see, doesn't provide much suspension, but the sacrifice is worth it. Okay, I'll fit the completed unit. threaded nut on the inside. Set of 12, 14 with a little extension. Big extension. There we go. Finish that up. And then we shall see. I haven't done the front yet, but bloody excellent. Suspension is non-existent. But we've got some clearance and issues. Namely, this rubber piece here is rubbing now. I have to cut that down. Nice and low. This could be an issue, but once it's low, generally centre stand's not the way forwards. But that's it. That is how you lower, or rather how you remove the spring on a Honda Vision, Honda Tact, Honda Aero, I imagine most AFs are the same. Pretty simple, 2 screwdrivers, 17mm spanner and a bit of leverage. So have fun. The front's the same.